Hi everyone, let's make these beautiful fishes. We are going to remove the seeds. Now cut the shape of the fish from cardboard and paste all the seeds on the top of it. We are making fins using green leaves. Paste eyes, make a hole, and look, your fish hangings are ready. Cut this accurate. We're going to make creative craft out of it. Here we're going to make the turtle. So color it using these colorful paint. Now paste its eyes and look, your turtle is ready. You can use dry leaves in creative ways, and this is one of them. Here we are drawing the face of the wolf on this dry ginal leaf. Now paste its ears and look, it is ready. Let's make this porcupine using potato and seeds. We're going to dab all the seeds inside it. Paste googly eyes, draw its nose and face, and look, your porcupine is ready. Let's make creative craft. We are making the sole of the shoes. Now we are going to color it, cut it, make holes and put lace inside it, and look, it's ready. Let's make weighing scales. So we are going to paste these sticks around this bottle cap. Now we are going to paste this tape. For more decoration, make 2 of them, and look, it's done. Take this paper cup, make multiple cuts on it, press it. Now we are going to put this jute rope on the top of it and paste it using hot glue gun. Now paste flowers and look, your flower pot is ready. Let's make creative artwork. Paste these green leaves. Here we are going to make reindeer using walnut shell. Make 2 of them, paste its eyes, and look, your artwork is ready. We're going to make this peacock using leaves. So paste all these green leaves of thuja and various other trees and make different patterns. Make the feathers of the peacock, and look, it's ready. We're going to make leaf art. So paste this green leaf. Here we are making the frog. So we are pasting dry leaves and make the body of the frog, its legs. Make more such frogs, and look, your artwork is ready. We're going to make beautiful artwork. So paste this dry twig and paste ginal leaves on the top of it. Paste glue and put some white powder, and look, your artwork is ready. Cut this cylinder and cover it using green craft paper, and we are making a vehicle here. Paste its tires, steering, and look, it is ready. We are going to make a beautiful craft work. Here we are going to paste all the dry and green leaves in between the sellotape and cover it using top and bottom using craft paper. Cut the extra part, and look, it is ready. Today's artwork is inspired by Little Red Riding Hood story. We are making the face of the wolves using ginal leaf. We are drawing the little girl face. We are making the hood using red leaf. Add more details, and look, your artwork is ready. Here we are going to make a chick family using these yellow leaves. So make the body by pasting these leaves. Paste googly eyes. We are also using clay. Now we are going to paste some crumpled paper on the top of it for more decoration. You can also use crumpled leaves. So we are also pasting these clouds, and look, it is ready. In today's artwork, we are going to draw a girl playing under the rain. Here we are going to make colorful trees using these leaves. We are cutting the red hood of the girl, draw her beautiful face using marker, her hairs, and we are adding more details. We are going to draw the droplets and rain like this, and your artwork is ready. Let's make a beautiful girl using leaves. We are making the hair. So put the girl face inside it and paste it on this black craft paper. Now we are making the dress. So make the top and paste all the leaves and make the beautiful skirt of the girl. Similar way, we are making the star shape, and we are also putting these colorful flowers around it, and look, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.